Hi friends, welcome to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, and with me today is my good friend Zoe. Together, we're going to help you speak English with confidence, one simple step at a time. So get comfortable, relax, and let's learn together. Hey Zoe, how are you today?
Hi, Riz. I'm great, thank you. Excited for today's episode.
Perfect. Today we're talking about something every English learner needs to know. 10 daily English expressions you must know. These are expressions you can use every single day when you speak with people in English.
That sounds super useful. I think our listeners will love this one.
I think so too. And friends, if you sometimes feel shy to speak English, don't worry. These expressions will help you sound natural and confident. By the end of this podcast, you'll be able to use them in your daily life easily.
So, Riz, what's the first expression?
All right, let's start with something very common. The first one is, how's it going?
Oh, I hear that all the time, but I always wonder, is it the same as, how are you?
Great question, Zoe. Yes, it's very close to how are you, but it's a little more casual. It's something friends say to each other. For example, if you see your friend at school or work, you can say, "Hey, how's it going?"
So I can say, hi, Riz, how's it going?
Exactly. And I can answer, "It's going great, thanks. How about you?"
That sounds natural and friendly.
Yes. And now, listeners, it's your turn. Repeat after me. How's it going? One more time, slowly. How's it going?
That's easy and fun to say.
Perfect. So that's your first daily expression. Ready for the next one?
I'm ready.
The second one is, what's up?
Oh, that one's everywhere. I see it in movies all the time.
Exactly. It's super common in casual conversations. What's up is just another way to say, how are you? Or what are you doing? But it's very relaxed. You can say it to your friends, coworkers, or classmates.
So if I see my friend, I can say, hey, what's up?
Perfect. And your friend might answer, not much, or just studying, or just relaxing.
Okay, so it's not a real question. It's more like a greeting.
Exactly, Zoe. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. What's up?
What's up?
Great job. And remember, smile when you say it. It makes you sound friendly.
Good tip.
All right, let's go to the third one. This one is really polite and useful in any situation. It's excuse me.
Oh, yes, I use that sometimes, but I'm not always sure when to say it.
Good question. Excuse me has two common uses. First, when you want to get someone's attention, like, excuse me, where is the bus stop? And second, when you want to pass by someone or you accidentally touch someone, like, excuse me, sorry.
So it's a polite way to speak in public.
Exactly, Zoe. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excellent. Say it softly, with a polite tone. Not too fast.
Excuse me.
Perfect.
I like that one. It makes you sound very respectful.
It does, and people appreciate that. Let's move to the fourth expression. This one helps you sound confident when you agree with someone. It's, you're right.
I say that a lot to my friends. Like, you're right, that movie was great.
Exactly. Or when you agree in a conversation. For example, you're right, learning English takes time.
That's true. It makes the conversation friendly and natural.
Yes, let's say it together. You're right.
You're right.
Great. Now, let's make it a bit more fun. Zoe, I'll say something, and you respond with, "You're right." Learning English every day helps you improve.
You're right.
English movies are a fun way to learn.
You're right.
That's perfect.
That was fun.
Good. Now, expression 5. That's interesting.
Oh, I like that one. It's polite when you don't know what to say next.
Exactly. You can use "that's interesting" when you want to show that you're listening. For example, if someone says, "I visited Japan last year," you can reply, "Oh, that's interesting."
So it's a nice way to keep the conversation going.
Yes, and you can use your tone to show emotion. Say it with curiosity. "That's interesting."
That's interesting.
Perfect. Let's do one more example. I'll say something, and you reply. I once met a famous actor at the airport.
Really? That's interesting.
That was perfect reaction.
That was fun.
All right, next one. Number 6. I don't understand.
Oh, that's an important one for learners.
Yes, it is. You should never feel shy to say it. If you don't understand, just say it politely. I don't understand. Or, can you say that again, please?
That helps a lot when someone speaks too fast.
Exactly. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Good. Now try with a question tone. I don't understand?
I don't understand?
Perfect. That sounds natural and polite. Okay, number 7. Can you help me?
That one's so useful.
Yes. You can use it anywhere, in a shop, airport, or on the street. Just say, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
That's easy to remember.
Let's try it together. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Perfect. You can also say, "Can you help me, please?" That's even more polite.
Got it.
Great. Let's move to number 8. Never mind.
What does that mean exactly?
Never mind means it's okay or don't worry. For example, if someone didn't hear you and you don't want to repeat, you can say, "Never mind." Or if something small goes wrong, just say, "Never mind, it's fine."
So it's a way to stay calm and polite.
Exactly. Try it with me. Never mind.
Never mind.
Good. And remember, say it kindly, not angrily.
Right. Never mind.
Nice tone. Okay, number 9. This one is very positive. Good job.
I love that one. It feels so encouraging.
Yes, it's great to motivate someone. You can say, "Good job," or "Well done," when someone does something right.
Like when my friend finishes a project, I can say, "Good job."
Exactly. And listeners, I want to tell you something. You are doing a good job learning English right now.
Yes, good job, everyone.
That's right. Okay, we're at the last one. Number 10. See you later.
That's a nice and friendly goodbye.
Yes, it means you'll see the person again soon. It's casual and friendly. You can use it instead of goodbye.
So if I finish talking to a friend, I can say, "See you later."
Exactly. Or even shorter. See ya.
See ya. That sounds fun.
Yes, very natural. Let's practice one more time. See you later.
See you later.
Perfect.
That's 10 great expressions. Let's quickly review them.
Sure.
Ready?
Ready. Number 1. How's it going?
How's it going?
Number 2. What's up?
What's up?
Number 3. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Number 4. You're right.
You're right.
Number 5. That's interesting.
That's interesting.
Number 6. I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Number 7. Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Number 8. Never mind.
Never mind.
Number 9. Good job.
Good job.
And number 10. See you later.
See you later.
Perfect. You did great, Zoe.
Thank you, Teacher Riz. This was fun and easy to follow.
I'm glad you liked it. And to our listeners, remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about practice. Use these expressions every day. Even small moments count.
That's true. I started using short phrases with my friends, and it really helped me feel more confident.
Exactly. And friends, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you speak, the faster you'll grow.
That's a great message, Riz.
Thank you, Zoe. And thank you everyone for listening today. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Yes, and leave a comment telling us which expression you liked most.
That's a great idea. And remember, practice every day. Even 10 minutes can make a big difference.
We're so proud of you for learning English with us.
Yes, you're doing a wonderful job. Keep going. Believe in yourself.
See you in the next episode.
See you later.
See you later.
Perfect ending.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.